Hello, dear friend. My name is Voljo. I'm science engineer from Huidu Technology. Today, I will introduce how to use Huidu Technology D16 Wi-Fi asynchronous controller. D16 Wi-Fi asynchronous controller is a new version of asynchronous controller from Huidu Technology. It supports 640 pixel by 64 pixel total resolution for LED banner or LED screen. It comes with Wi-Fi and it supports mobile phone application and PC software control. Okay, let's begin. First, let's check how to connect the LED banner and the D16 controller. This is the first line of the LED banner. The LED modules connect one by one, and the first line of the LED banner connects to the first output J1 of the D16 controller. Then second line 2, connects to the port 1 J2 of the D16 controller. Okay, finish. Let's connect the Wi-Fi antenna of the D16 Wi-Fi controller. Then power on the screen and the controller. Let's connect the Wi-Fi of the D16. We find the Wi-Fi SSID of the D16. This is the SSID we can connect. The default port password is 88. After connecting, let's open the HDPlayer software for Windows system, and we create a screen in the software. We choose D-series controller and choose D16, and we need to type in the resolution of the LED banner. The width is 384 pixels and the height is 64. And we can program a test, or we can also add a frame for the program, and we can send the program. Now the display is not okay because we did not configure the LED banner. So let's do hardware setting to configure the LED modules. We choose the device and do screen configuration. We can choose a configuration file from the software, or we can do smart setting to configure the LED modules. Let's do smart setting. First, we type in the module width is 16.2, and choose the chip model and the decoding chip. Then we go next. Check out how many lines on. The first module is 16, so we type in 16. Go next step. Also check how many lines on. Is 2, so we choose 2 here. Then go next. Check which line the flash pointer is in this module. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 line. So we click the first diagram of the point in the. Then the flash pointer go to next. We also click next. The flash pointer go to line 1. We also click line 1. Then the flash pointer go to line 10. We also click line 10. The first one. Line 10. Line 7. Line 12. Then we can light on the whole modules. After finish smart setting, the display will correctly. We can click OK. Then you will see what you have sent to the LED panel.